So then I set out for that quest, to try to find the class. They would ask when they had festivals coming up, oh, does anybody have a topic for a class? I said, yeah, why don't you teach how they do the endings? I would love to have a class on that. Oh, we'll bring it up, but they never had a class on the endings. And I heard, oh, well, somebody in Montreal had a class like 10 years ago or something. I heard that there might have been a class here or there, but I never actually saw one myself. So I started, to try to put things together, listen to the music, try to figure it out on my own, just so that I could learn it myself.
For those of you who have been dancing tango for years, but you feel that you can't quite capture the essence of it and step up to the next level, still struggling to communicate in the language of tango. And for those of you that are just at the beginning of your tango journey, maybe not even taken a class yet because it's intimidating and you are not sure if it is for you. Never before has this ensemble of tango experts came together to reveal the unique and ever-changing thought process behind teaching, learning, sharing, and evolving Argentine tango. The Tango Secrets Summit will give you a glimpse into full understanding. It will allow you to attain unattainable, even if just for a second.